So we were discussing about stock dividend. Already we discussed about the stock dividend. Now we are discussing stock split. Stock split is nothing but there are two types. One is positive, another is reverse. Normally stock split means positive. Reverse stock split is there. So for example, if 1 million shares are there, so for every stock they have issued two stocks. For every stock they have issued two stocks. So multiply with 2. So nothing but one multiply with 2. So these shares will become 2 million. So this is nothing but stock split. Reverse means they have reverse stock split. So for every 2 shares they have become now shares have become 1. So for example 20. Now each share value will become 20 here like this. So the same 1 million shares 0.5. Now 500,000. This is called reverse stock split. And this is called stock split. So in the both the cases, stock dividend and stock split, wherever it is happened, from that day before this date up to the beginning of the financial year, all the shares will be taken into consideration while calculating the weighted average. Say for example, this stock split or stock dividend is happened on 1st August. So from 1st August to 1st January, we have calculated some weighted average, no? All these what weighted average value you got, we multiply with the, if it is a stock split is there, multiply with 2. If it is a dividend is there, so 1.1, 1.2, whatever it may be. Stock dividend is there, we will multiply that one. So that means retrospective effect will be given from the date, not downside, upside only. From the date of stock split, from the date of stock dividend, next within the same financial year up to the date the January, normally if it is given financial year, so from January to this date. Now here the question is asking about on 31st December, what is the weighted average number of common shares outstanding? You need to calculate. This is the information given to us. This is the information given to us. And if you calculate weighted average common shares for the given information, always we start with the given date. So Matthew Corporation has 100 common shares, par value 10, outstanding on January 1 to 2020. Let us take like that. During 2020, the following shares transaction takes place in this way. On April 1, 10,000 shares are issued for 50 each. On 1st August, Matthew repurchases 20. One more point, repurchase of shares. What is the concept of repurchase? Buyback shares.
Yeah,
we will buy our own shares.
When we'll buy our own shares means, is it outstanding in the market?
No, sir.
No, it is not outstanding in the market. From the total share capital, we will deduct this 24,000 shares. So another concept is there. There are, one is a stock dividend, another is a stock split, another is buyback of shares or treasury stock. So whenever there is a treasury stock, simply we will minus. That's all, nothing else is there. Simply we will minus. Now let us calculate. So on 1st October, Matthew carries out 2 for 1 stock split. 2 for 1 stock. 1 stock they are issuing 2 stocks. 2 stocks they are issuing for 1 stock. Okay. November 1, 15,000 shares are issued for 55 each. On December 15, Matthew declared 10% stock dividend. Now let us calculate. One more thing. Weighted average means concept is what? For example, 50,000, the weight is given, okay, 3 months. And here 70,000, the weight is given 9 months. How to calculate weighted average for this value? Could you please tell me?
50,000 to 70,000 and 3 plus 9. Then what we need to do? That total value should be divided by 3 plus 9 months, whatever. So
Correct.
we will get weighted average.
So first of all, this it is a section. What is happening? Section A, sorry, this is the column A, this is the column B. We need to do A multiply B. So 50,000 into 3, how much it is coming? Tell me.
150,000.
150,000. 70,000 into 9, how much it is coming?
3,000.
6,30,000.
No, 6,30,000. 6,30,000. What are the weights total? 3 plus 9. How much? 12. So what is weighted average now? $780. No, this is. So A multiply with B and a total of B. 780,000 divided by how much? 12. How much it is coming?
65,000.
780,000 divided by 12. 65,000.
5,000.
65,000.
So now I'm, instead of calculating like this weighted average, I want to calculate in this way. 50,000 into 3 by 12. 70,000 into 9 by 12. How much is the answer? 50 into 3 by 12.
12,500.
12,000.
12,500. And
52,500.
here 70,000 into 9 by 12, how much?
52,500.
52.
What is the total?
Same 65.
Same or not?
Same.
All of you.
Yes, sir. Same.
So while calculating, we will ignore this type of basic calculation. We will take each individual calculation in this way. Understood? Is this clear? All of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now let us do the calculation now. First, we will take date. Always start with January 1st. Sometimes they might not be giving January 1st. They might be giving 31st December. 31st December closing will become 1st January. Am I right? Same balance, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll be taking here directly. They have given how many number of shares they are having on 1st January?
100,000.
100,000. Okay. Now we need to check what is the next transaction. On what date? What is the next transaction? 10,000 shares they have purchased. So on which date this is?
1st April.
1st April. That means these 100,000 shares were there in total 1 year. How many number of months? If we consider it is started
3
with
months.
3 months. 3 months.
3 months. So 3 by 12 I am calculating. Okay. 3 by 12 I am calculating. I don't want to take immediately is equals to. Why? Because any stock split is there. You have to inflate that one. So just keep it like that only. Okay. Now tell me, on April 1st, how many number of shares were issued?
10,000.
Now, how many total number of shares for me now?
110.
110. So from 1st April to what is the next transaction?
1st August.
1st August.
5
So what is
months.
the weight we need to take here?
5 divided by 12.
We need to calculate what? From which date now?
April 1st. right?
April, May,
First
June,
June, July, August.
July.
August,
August is what?
July,
It is?
4 months.
no, no,
4
July,
months.
4 months.
Which month this is? This is August.
4
what?
by 12.
4 months, sir.
4 by 12. These two steps are clear to everyone. Tell me now. If anybody having doubt, ask.
No, sir, no, sir.
What about others?
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Clear, sir.
पक्का
Pakka.
Okay, sir.
लॉक किया जाए
Like,
मुस्तफा भाई
Tawakkal hai, sir.
Yes, sir. Lock कर दीजिए sir.
ओके लॉक कर दिया व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन टेल मी
on October 1st.
October 1st.
October 1st.
Split or shares.
नो 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 अगस्त को तक तो ये कैलकुलेट करेंगे अभी अगस्त
अगस्त।
शेयर्स अगस्त के शेयर्स क्या हुआ अभी अप्रैल का ही कैलकुलेट करें हम अगस्त फर्स्ट को क्या हुआ 1st August 20 व्हाट हैपेंड
Repurchases 24,000.
now how many number of shares are repurchased
24,000. 24,000.
now how many number of shares I will be having then
134,000.
repurchase means treasury stock what I have told you
86,000.
treasury stock repurchase also it is not outstanding in the market it is in the company itself so
86,000.
we will deduct from the total number of shares so what is that share number of shares now
86,000. 86,000.
okay 86,000 stock split is happen on what date
1st October.
1st October stock split is happened when 1st October stock split is happening how many number of shares for each stock how many number of shares they have issued
2 to 1. 2 for 1.
for one
Two stock, two shares, yeah.
for one two stock is declared so therefore we need to multiply here 2 and also here we need to multiply here 2 and also we need to multiply so from this date stock it is inflated from the January 1st is this clear to everyone
Yes, sir.
all of you
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay now you tell me this 86,000 inflated means now my number of shares how much
172,000.
172,000 understood everyone
Yes, sir.
okay this is the stock split is happened but stock split is not the date to calculate the weighted average what is the date any new shares issued or repurchased that is up to that date we need to calculate so that means this 1st August to October 1 is not the weighted average date we need to calculate the only this is a stock split is there we already inflated here however these shares were there 172,000 shares were there up to how much what date
October 31st, sir.
November 1 up to
November 1st.
November 1 so how many number of weights this 172 shares will be there for how many number of months
10 months. 10 months.
1 month.
August
3 months.
September
August, September, October. October.
So 3 by
3 months.
12 we need to take here understood this point
Yes, sir.
understood or you can take confusion avoid करने के लिए 2 by 12 and then 172 by क्या कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर अपन
1 by 2.
that is also correct
Yes.
unnecessary we don't have time that much time it is only whenever inflation we need to inflate the value so I am avoiding that particular point so I will be taking here 3 but the weighted average should be calculated the new number of shares or repurchase of shares that is important rest of the points only we need to inflate understood why I took 3 here all of you
Yes, sir.
okay now this is 172,000 shares 15,000 shares reissued means now this 172 will become how much? Will become how much? On 1st November.
187.
187.
187. And there is no need to do inflated. Already it is inflated. These two should not be. Downside, no inflation. Only upside we need to inflate. Downside, no. 187,000 shares. Okay. On December 15, what happened?
10% stock dividend has been declared. Yes.
10% stock dividend. If 100 stocks are there, so how many new shares after 10% stock dividend means?
110.
110. Did you get me, all of you? If 100 stocks are there,
Okay.
10% means how much? 110. How we got this 110? Can we write like this 100 into 1.1?
Yes, sir.
How much it is coming then?
110.
110. Are you following me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सब लोग?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now here 10% means, always remember there is an increase in 10% means already what value is there, you take that value and multiply with 10% means 1.1. How it is, how you got means 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 10%. So 1 plus 1 into 10% means 0.1. So 1.1 ऐसा आता है. 20% बोले तो क्या बोले सर? 1 point.
1.2.
30% means
1.3.
35% means
1.35.
1.35. So now I need to inflate here 1.1. I need to inflate all the values. I need to inflate what?
All the
All the
values.
All the values. This we are not going to take into consideration. Okay. Just for
Okay, sir.
that particular purpose. Why? Because this 1 month we included here. So if I am multiplying 1.1 here, so I'll be multiplying here 1.1. I'll be multiplying here 1.1. I'll be multiplying here 1.1. Now,
Can you explain why you are multiplying 1.1?
okay. I'll explain it. Now, again, this is on December 15th, right? November 1st. This is the November 1st. November 1st, I have 187,000 shares, correct? I didn't
Yes,
take here value number weighted average, but before that there is a, after that immediate next there is a stock split is there. So when there is a stock split is there, what I need to do? I need to inflate 10% increase, 10% stock dividend is equal. That means previously 100 shares are there. 10% means क्या होता? 100 shares old. 100 into 10% बोल तो क्या हो रहा आपको? 10. तो total कितना हुआ आपका? 110. Instead of that, I will take one share. One share का 10% increase is also one share old and 1 into 10% means 0.1. तो क्या होता आपका 1.1 हो जाता. So that's why I multiply 10% बोल तो 1 multiply with the existing share 1.1. I'm multiplying existing share with 1.1. I have told you if there any stock dividend is there, if there any stock split is there, retrospective effective should be given. That means above this date you inflate all the weighted average values. So we have how many weighted average values? This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. And this is already
In the cases of stock split and stock dividend, we need to do this.
both from the date. Like we did here 2, we multiplied. Though the stock split happened here, we inflated above the line, above that date to up to financial year the beginning. Multiplied 2. So again it is happened on December 15. So we have multiplied with 1.2. We are not multiplying 2. Already we multiplied here. So downside there is no multiplication, only upside. So 1.1. Again here we are multiplying with 1.1. Again here one multiply. Again means this another step. Upside 1.1. So now 187,000 into 1.1. Now tell me, from November 1 to December, total 31st December, how many number of weighted average months?
1.5 month.
Inflation, we are not going to consider. Stock split, and the what? Stock dividend. Weighted average calculation should be ignored. However, this 15,000 shares purchased on November 1, and when we are calculating 31st December, no, we will calculate 31st December, no. So from November 1 to 31st December, this 187,000 share, the company is having how many months?
2 months.
2 months. 2 by what?
12.
These steps are clear to you, or shall I explain once again?
Sir, last December, can you explain once again, sir? 2 by 12.
Okay. अभी हम लोग क्या करें, नवंबर 1 को डेट लिए, नवंबर 1 ये ना है
जी
हाँ, ये नवंबर 1 इग्नोरिंग दी स्टॉक डिविडेंड को इग्नोर कर दो
जी।
ये 15,000 शेयर्स जो एडिशनल हुआ, 172 था, 15 ऐड
जी।
करें 187,000 हो गया। अब ये 187,000 कंपनी के पास कितने मंथ्स तक थे?
नवंबर दिसंबर
2 मंथ्स ना
जी।
2 by 12 एंड
सर लेकिन दिसंबर 15 है ना सर इधर?
स्टॉक स्प्लिट हुआ तो मैं क्या बोला आपको,
हाँ, स्टॉक्स डिविडेंड को इग्नोर
स्टॉक स्प्लिट हुआ तो इट एप्लीकेबल फॉर ऑल 12 मंथ्स, करेक्ट? We already multiplied, no, 1.1. We already multiplied with 1. This is only stock split.
Okay, sir.
Stock split is already considered into the calculation. So now, November 1 to 31st December, how many months?
2 months.
2 by 12. This is the point.
Understood,
Is
sir,
this
understood.
clear to everyone, or shall I explain once again?
No, sir, clear, sir.
Sir, can you explain once again connectivity issues?
I'll explain, Azhar. I'll explain. Take the date 1st January. Okay. और एक डेट भी डाल लेंगे यहाँ पर, थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट वो करने के लिए। So on 1st January, all of you give me the answer. How many number of shares are outstanding?
100,000.
100,000. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not calculating weighted average now. Forget about that one. I need to calculate only months. Very next transaction you need to consider from January 1st to next transaction is what here?
March 31st.
First April.
April 1st.
So whenever you are calculating next date, remember that should be either purchase of asset or repurchase of asset. It should not be stock split. It should not be the stock dividend. For stock split and stock dividend, we will inflate separately. So that particular day is not counted for the weighted average value, what we are calculating. So that means from 1st January to 1st April, how many number of 1st April? 1st April. So how many months are there now here?
3 months.
3 months.
3 months. So I am multiplying with 3 by 12. Up to here, clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, this point is clear. Now, again I start on 1st August. There were 100,000 shares, correct? On 1st January, when I purchased 10, naturally, how many number of shares I will be having now?
110.
On 1st April, this is 1st April. 100,000 shares. Naturally, if I purchase, what is my natural value now?
110,000.
110,000. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now see, on October 1st, there is a stock split. So for one stock, they have issued 2. So that means this point should be inflated. So I am inflating here. Inflation is done, that is enough for us. Are you getting me, all of you?
Yes, sir. आप अगस्त को छोड़ दे, repurchase को छोड़ सीधा अक्टूबर में आ गए.
ఆగస్ట్ ఉంది
Oh,
కదా సార్
sorry,
ట్రాన్సాక్షన్
sorry.
सबको कलेक्ट चाहिए होना जरूरी है.
थोड़ा मैं देख रहा हूँ आप लोग अलर्ट है नहीं है वही. Okay. From 1st April to next date is what?
August 1st.
August 1st. What happened? Repurchase. So that means this 110,000 shares were there up to how many number of months? April 1st to August 1st.
4
4
months.
months.
4 months.
4 months. That means 1st August 20, 4 months are there. Clear now? Up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
So now I have to take 1st August 20. The number of shares now here plus 10 happened. This is. So now my total has become 110. Now repurchase of share means minus that is treasury stock. So what is the outstanding value on 1st August? Naturally, what is the number of shares? Naturally.
86,000.
How much?
86,000.
86,000.
86,000.
So from 1st August to 1st October, what happened here? Stock split.
Yes.
Stock split is not the date to calculate, weighted average. It is the date to calculate inflation. Inflate. So for one stock, they have issued 2 stocks. So inflate value here, inflate value here, inflate value here. So from the date to immediate retrospective effect up to the within the financial year inflate. This point is clear.
Yes, sir.
Azhar, clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Clear. Now this is not the date. From 1st August to 1st October is not the date to calculate the weighted average. We should take either purchase of asset or repurchase only we need to consider. So now tell me, and when it is repurchased, sorry, when it is reissued new share?
First
November.
November 1st is reissued. Understood, all of you?
Yes,
Hello?
Yes, sir, understood.
Understood. So this date we are going to calculate only purchase or repurchase only. So when the new shares are purchased? First,
November 1st.
so how many months?
3 months.
3 months.
12. This inflated of on October 1st is already done or not here?
Yes.
So forget about that one. So now again I start 1/11/20. Okay. Now tell me 86,000 shares were there when we inflate with 2. So on 1st of 11, how many number 1st of October to this date, how many number of shares I will be having?
187,000.
72,000.
72 plus.
72, no?
Yes, sir. Plus 15.
Yeah, 172, 172 plus 15, correct. Just a second. The total number of shares 172 already multiply with 2 plus we have purchased how many number of shares on November 1st? 15. So this will become how much now?
187,000.
187,000.
Is this point clear to everyone?
Hardly.
Agree? Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Azhar understood?
Sir, this 86,000 multiplied by 2, right? This 187,000 you are around.
Okay.
Plus 15,000.
Okay. To avoid the confusion, let us take in that way only.
Let us keep inflation.
Okay. Let us take like this. Let us take like this. On what date the split is happened? Tell me.
October 1st.
August to October, how many months? October 1st. How many months?
2 months.
Let us take 2 months only. Okay, this is 2 months. Clear? Now tell me, on 1st October 20, my shares 86 become multiply with 2 means how many shares I have become? Our shares are become how much now?
172.
172,000.
Azhar, understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Papa?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Into what is the next issue of date for us? Yeah.
November.
November. So 1, 11, 20. How many months it was?
1.
1 month.
Already this is inflated. There is no need to multiply here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood? No?
Yeah. So before October 1st, whatever the transaction happened, the split will be applicable to them only, not for the coming one.
Yeah. अक्टूबर
Right,
के ऊपर से पूरा जो है ना इन्फ्लेट यहाँ ऑलरेडी इन्फ्लेट कर दी है हम लोग 170.
Right, right.
So instead of that, what I did to avoid confusion in future while calculating all these things, what I told, it is also 86,000 into 172, right?
Right, right, right.
So these shares are there outstanding for how many months? 172. 3 months, no?
Right, sir. I understood, sir.
So instead of that, this step I have avoided. I took 3 by 12. Now you take okay separately, no problem. Yes, on 1st 11/20, I was having how many number of shares? 172. On 1st November, how many number of shares purchased now? 15. Now how many shares it become? It has become how many number of shares?
187.
187,000. Now tell me, I will calculate later on the weighted average. It is a stock dividend, 10%. I have told you 10% means 1 plus 1 into 10%, nothing but 1.1.
1.1.
We need to inflate 1.1 here, 1.1 here, 1.1 here, 1.1 here, 1.1 here. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
From the date to upside, we need to inflate. Is this clear? All of you?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Now tell me, inflation, when calculating inflation, inflated, we need to, we don't need to consider the weighted average. Weighted average should be either next purchase or last date of the year. What is the last date of the year then?
15 December.
31st December. Now, how many months are there? If first
2 months.
December, November, 2 months. 2 by
2
2 by 12. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now
Yes, sir.
what I'm doing to avoid confusion, there is no need to take here. No need to take here this thing. Okay. So you just 86,000 into 3 by 12 you take. Inflated already 2. So when you are inflating on 1st August, that means we need to do on October. So it is go up upside. So already on 1st October, we will be having 172,000 shares plus 15 we added here this date on 72. 15 we add 187,000 we will take. That's what I told you. Instead of taking 2. Why? Because we didn't take for the 15 one month. We didn't take for the November 1 to December 15. Also 1.5 point month next calculation unnecessarily. I got the point. What I am trying to explain.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now you tell me how much value here. What is the value?
$55,000.
55,000.
55,000. Here, what is the value?
80,667.
80,667. Here you take 3 by 12, okay, into 2 into 1.1.
What is 7,300?
47,300. And here this 172 we will not include here, just for calculation only. What is that value here? This and
34,283.
do the total.
17. 250.
Still you have doubt, ask me now. अभी किसी को डाउट है तो मेरे को पूछो.
सर जहाँ तक बात है इसका स्टॉक स्प्लिट और स्टॉक डिविडेंड का, तो हमारे इस एग्जांपल में जो आई एम स्पीकिंग हिंदी टू अंडरस्टैंड बेटर, ये अक्टूबर में जो हमारी ये 2-for-1 स्टॉक स्प्लिट हुई है, तो ये चीज जो है अक्टूबर के ऊपर के अक्टूबर से पहले की जो जितनी भी ट्रांजैक्शन हुई है शेयर्स की, आइदर परचेज और सेल्स, उसमें ये अप्लाई होगी अक्टूबर से पहले। अक्टूबर के बाद से कोई लेना देना नहीं, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है।
हाँ, कोई मतलब नहीं।
लेकिन अक्टूबर के बाद दिसंबर में स्टॉक डिविडेंड अनाउंस हुआ है, जो कि सबसे लास्ट है, तो वो उसके ऊपर जनवरी तक जितना भी ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ है दिसंबर से, सब में स्टॉक डिविडेंड का अप्लाई होगा।
करेक्ट।
लेकिन अक्टूबर के नीचे जो 2 ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ है, एक सपोज एक ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ है जिसमें स्टॉक स्प्लिट अनाउंस पहले हो चुका है और वो ट्रांजैक्शन बाद में हुआ है नवंबर में, तो उसमें स्टॉक स्प्लिट का एप्लीकेशन नहीं होगा।
हाँ, मैं बता रहा हूँ। अक्टूबर में आपके शेयर्स कितने थे? अक्टूबर में आपके शेयर्स कितने थे? अक्टूबर से पहले
86,000.
अक्टूबर से पहले आपके शेयर्स कितने थे वो बोलो।
110,000.
110,000
minus 24,000.
10 - 24 कितने थे आपके हमारे?
86,000.
आदिल
86 sir.
86
आदिल को आंसर दे दो। 86 थे।
जी जी
अक्टूबर में स्टॉक जो है ना अभी क्या हुआ, स्प्लिट हुआ
जी।
86,000 शेयर्स बिकम हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ शेयर?
86 into 2 172।
हाँ, अभी टोटल नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स आप अक्टूबर के बाद वाले 86 लेंगे और 172 लेंगे?
अक्टूबर के बाद वाले हम लोग 172 लेंगे।
172 लेंगे। फिर 172 को 2 मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये वजह था उसका मतलब। डाउन साइड वाई वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कंसिडर। से फॉर एग्जाम्पल कौन सा है वो, अगस्त 1 अगस्त टू ये अक्टूबर बोले तो अक्टूबर से पहले क्या रहता? अगस्त सितंबर करेक्ट। 30 सितंबर तक आपका नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स कितना था?
86।
86 है। अब ये ऊपर वाला हम जो इन्फ्लेट कर रहे हैं 2 मल्टीप्लाई, नीचे जब आएंगे आप तो आप 186 नहीं लेंगे ना। अब नाउ नेचुरली योर कंपनी शेयर्स हाउ मच? नेचुरली
172।
फिर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना, उसका मतलब बोलेगा नेचुरल शेयर्स आर नाउ 172।
अच्छा, तो ऑलरेडी हम लोग जो शेयर्स उस टाइम आउटस्टैंडिंग रह चुकी होगी उसको हम ऑलरेडी मल्टीप्लाई कर चुके हैं।
करेक्ट। समझ गए बात? समझे मेरी? क्लैरिटी मिली आदिल? नीचे वाले को क्यों नहीं करते बोलते? नीचे वाला शेयर ऑलरेडी 172 हो गया आपका, फिर मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है। व्हेन यू टेक द शेयर्स हियर, नेचुरली योर शेयर्स हैव बिकम 172, so 172 प्लस एडिशनली 15,000 शेयर्स परचेज, तो 172 प्लस 15 क्या हो गया आपका शेयर?
187।
समझ में आ गया अभी कॉन्सेप्ट?
जी।
विल बी बैक आफ्टर 15 मिनट।